Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see how you can get your authentication code on Fanduel Sportsbook safely and securely. So if you're in one of the states of the USA, you'll be able to get this authentication code and use Fanduel to add extra security. So basically, once you've turned on your two-factor authentication, when you log in, you'll be able to enter your code right here. Now, how you have to do it is, first of all, you will have to open your account settings. Your two-factor authentication will be found in your account under account summary for sportsbook and account settings for fantasy. So if you're doing sportsbook, you can find it under account summary when you open it on your phone, or if you're doing fantasy, you can find it under account settings. Now this is the screen that you'll see. How does it work? It's basically telling you how your two-factor authentication work. Now you have two methods that you can choose. You can either choose Authenticator app and you can choose text message. Now with text message, I'd say is the easier and the better process, since in text message you'll have to add your phone number and it will give you an authentication code on the phone number. If you use an Authenticator app, you will have to install an application such as Google Authenticator from your Play Store or App Store. And when you log in, you'll get an authentication code over there. So whatever is more convenient to you, you can continue with that. Now, as I was saying on FanDuel, this is the screen that you can see after that. When you're enabling your two-factor authentication for use an Authenticator app, you can go over here and install the Authenticator app you need. Otherwise, you can go on this text message option right here and you'll enter your phone number. And whenever you're logging in, it will automatically redirect you to two-factor authentication and you'll receive a phone number. You'll receive a code on your phone number and you will be good to go. And as you can see right here in this screenshot, when you open your FanDuel, in the below menu, you'll see your options and you will see the account settings option. So just simply go on account settings and follow the process that I've told you. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.